Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Apple Watch from iCloud backup, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Apple Watch from an iCloud backup, begin by ensuring your iPhone is paired with the Apple Watch. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has adequate battery life. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on My Watch at the bottom of the screen. Next, select General from the options. Scroll down and tap Reset. You will see an option that says Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings. Tap this option to proceed. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to confirm the action. Wait for your Apple Watch to completely erase. Once the watch is erased, you will see the setup screen. Put your Apple Watch close to your iPhone. You will receive a notification on your iPhone to start the pairing process. Tap on Continue on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. When prompted, select Restore from a backup. Choose the most recent backup from iCloud that you wish to restore. Your Apple Watch will begin the restoration process. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the backup. Once the restoration is complete, your watch will restart. After the restart, you can start using your Apple Watch as before. Make sure to customize any settings as needed post-restoration. Your Apple Watch is now successfully restored from an iCloud backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.